Why, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's noodles aren't what most people would consider instant noodles. They're not fried. So, well, what do we have? What is it? This came out of a ramen trunk. If you go to ramentrunk.com, use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. You'll get a 20% discount on your first order of any kind. So that's pretty sweet. Check this. Oh. And I can't even remember the name of it. I'm a doof. Oh. I want to say it's Onomichi Ajihai Shoyu, I think. But anyways, it comes in this attractive box. This is what they call souvenir ramen. So you go to the restaurant where this guy is at, and oh, that was the best ramen I ever had. I wish I could bring some home. Well, now you can. So there's a lot of these style boxes. Shows where it's at, that kind of thing. Shows dude. So what do you get? You get 2 servings of broth, 2 servings of noodles. We're going to use 1 serving of noodle and 1 serving of broth. And we'll do the broth first because the noodle is interesting insofar as how it's prepared. It's very quick, actually. Remember, need your sachets. Alright. So, you take 300 mils of hot water. Boil water. You know, water that's really hot. That's what this is. Then you put the soup base in there. And then you give it a really, really good stir. This is a really fatty one, so you gotta make sure to get all that fat melting in there. Looks like a fancy broth. Smells very, very wonderful. Pretty stuff. Okay, so there's that. Got our water boiling. So, what's so fancy about making noodles? Well, in this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna boil the noodles on high for a minute. No, high for 30 seconds, and then let it continue cooking for high 30 seconds, and then medium for a minute. Yeah. Here's what these shelf-stable fresh look like. They're, you know, they're a trip. I've had a lot of these and they're quite good. Let's drop them in. I kind of pinch the end of them and slowly let them drop in. So we got our 30 seconds on high right now. Give it a bit of a stir. So what's going on? Good things. Today's my wife's first day back to work after her horrible ordeal with this weirdest health thing ever. We thought she pulled a muscle. She ended up getting a blockage in her bile duct. However that happened. And 1 minute on medium. And then that caused an infection which made the body created E. coli, which I guess everybody can do. And that made her liver inflamed. So it was a really, 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 really bad scene. And literally all we thought is that she had like a pulled muscle from doing a bunch of housework. So luckily, she's back to work today. Kind of going slow at first. She works some really nice people that give a crap about their employees, which I think is just wonderful, because she didn't used to. And yeah, so much love to my lady Kit. Yeah. And what else is going on? Miles has finished summer school. It's very close to the end of the month, the end of July, so trying to get as many Fitbit steps in as I can. I think right now I'm tied with last month, which was like 620,000. But I've got 2 days left, so it'd be nice to be able to push it past 650. It'd be nice to get it up to 700,000, but I just literally don't have the time to pull that off. So, yeah. Really? Alright. All done. So how do we do this? Well, I'll show you. Bring Rotato into the fray. Rotato enjoys being in the fray. If you've never watched this show before and you're like, what the hell is this guy on? Nothing, right? I have a rotating surface here, and I call it Rotato. What? Alright. Okay. We're going to drain the noodle. I'm going to fluff it slightly, just because that's what I like to do. A little fluffy. And I'm going to bring you back a little bit. I'm still getting the knack of this. There we go. Right. Like that. There we go. Let's see if you can see what I see. There you go, that works. Miles is being loud. I told him not to be loud. But being 3 years old, that doesn't really work all that well all the time. Let me give another stir to the broth. Pour it on. Wow, that's dark. Alright. I certainly hope he doesn't wake up his little sister. Oh, you know, I ought to try this stuff before I go any further. I can snip the egg real quick. Yeah, let me give a taste to the noodle. Yeah. I like that. Nice texture. Taste of the... Yeah. That is tastiness and tastosity. I suppose we'll have a slice of chashu just because it behooves me. Some Onomichi. I love mung bean sprouts, so I'm going to throw some of those in. Right over here. Oh, Miles, if you wake up your little sister, I will be unhappy. And some spring onion. Some shichimi. Ooh. Quick moving shichimi. And I don't know, I really like a little bit of heat more than the shichimi. So here's some oil. A bunch of oil. And what else? What about some sesame seeds? And there you go. Some fanciness on a Monday. At least it's my Monday. But it's shaping up to be a pretty good Monday. So let's let Rotato work its magic. Alright, well, cool. Thanks again to Ramen Trunk for shooting this amazing stuff over. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.